Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, I'm taking Project Sulk, my Mini Cooper S R53, down to have its MOT. Now, yes, as you can see, I'm in the dark, and that's because it's really early in the morning. My MOT is booked in for 8. I mean, that's too early, but that's cool. And yeah, let's go down to Paddock Motors. After a relatively pleasant journey, as dawn awakes and the dark rises, not a Batman film, I'm at Paddock Motors. I'm here to get the MOT done. And am I confident that Project Sulk will pass? Yes. Would I be surprised if Project Sulk failed? No. Is it gonna be slightly frustrating either way? Yeah, probably not. So let's get the car in there. So, did the car pass its MOT? Is it MOT'd? How many advisories did I get? Ooh. Well, it did pass. Yay! Good to be on the road for another year. I did get several advisories, which I will go through in another video. But, yeah. Nice and easy. The car did me proud. Big shout out to Paddock Motors as always for taking care of me and getting me in early and at late notice. That's always appreciated. And I'm driving off one happy person in his R53. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, then check out the YouTube channel SULKNATIONtv. Turn on notifications, subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you fancy. There's also a SULKNATIONtv page on Facebook, and I'm under Project Sulk on Instagram, so check that out as well. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.